Hello, today I'm reviewing this floor lamp and thanks for the seller providing it to me so I can test it out and share my overall thoughts with you. And I also want to mention right off the bat that assembly of this lamp was super easy. I can also include some footage for you. You also have a heavy duty base. It was very easy to screw together all of these poles. And I also love that company included this remote, and one of the good things about this remote, it can stick right to the base, so you don't need to worry to lose remote. It just stays right where it belongs to. And I also want to mention that right here we have power on and off button. You can also switch between different modes right here, and you can make it more brighter and more dimmable. And I also want to turn off all of the lights right now around and show it to you right here once again, and show it to you with this remote. And I also love about this lamp that you can actually rotate the head 85 degrees, so you can put it straight up if you want, or you can point it outside, depends on how you want it and how you would like to style it. It also has buttons right here. As I mentioned before, you have your turn on and off button. We can make it more brighter right here, as you can see. We can also make it more dimmable, and we can also switch the mode, so it's more cooler, more warmer mode. Depends on your style and how you like to work. And also it has the same on this remote, so we have our power on and off button. You can make it more brighter, we can go more dimmable, and as you can see, it's also going between like warm and cooler mode. So you can see we are more like in a cooler mode right now. Now we can make it more warmer, make it more brighter. It also has 1 hour timer. So as you can see right here. And one of the features I love about this remote that it has pre-programmed modes right here. So we have our leisure mode right here. We have our baby feeding mode right here, night mode. And we also have a work mode right here. So it depends what you're doing. If you don't want to like smash buttons a lot at night, you can just easily push one of the button, and here we go, we have our night mode. Overall, if you are looking for a lamp for your office, for your bedroom, or any other space around your home, this one has a lot of potential. I love it and highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.